Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am drawing a beautiful eye with butterfly. I love drawing and painting so much. You can try to draw with me. Drawing is a beautiful art form that can capture the world around us in a unique and expressive way. It's a way of communicating ideas, emotions, and without words, and it can be enjoyed by people of all ages and skill levels. There is something magical about the way a simple pencil or a piece of charcoal can transform a blank piece of paper into a whole new world. Her eyes are like a clear blue sky, so bright and pure. They spark like diamonds, catching the light just right. When she looks at you, it's like the whole world stops for a moment. And when she smiles, it's as if a butterfly, its delicate wings inside her eyes, dancing with joy, her laughter. It's like the butterfly wings, light and airy. The way she moves is graceful, like a butterfly floating on a summer breeze. Her eyelashes are long and fluttery, like the wings of a butterfly in flight. Thank you so much you watching my video. If you like my video, then like and share it. Also subscribe my channel. Thank you.